So you're trying to make 2023 your year? As a successful person myself, I can provide you with some general tips and strategies for making money, but please note that the most effective approach will depend on your individual circumstances and goals. Idea 1. Develop a valuable skill. Identify a skill that you can master and that is in high demand, such as programming, graphic design, or copywriting. Continuously develop and refine your skills to stay ahead of the competition. Idea 2. Start a business. Consider starting your own business, either as a solo entrepreneur or with a team. Identify a need in the market and create a solution that adds value for your customers. Idea 3. Invest in yourself. Take courses, attend conferences and seminars, and read books that will help you improve your skills and knowledge. Continuously learning and growing can help you stay relevant and increase your earning potential. Idea 4. Network. Build relationships with others in your industry or niche. Attend networking events, participate in online forums and communities, and connect with others on social media. Your network can provide valuable opportunities for collaborations, partnerships, and referrals. Idea 5. Save and invest. Make a habit of saving a portion of your income and investing it wisely. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Idea 6. Be disciplined. Manage your finances carefully and avoid unnecessary expenses. Stick to a budget, pay off debts, and save for the future. Discipline and patience are key to building long-term wealth. Remember that making money is not a quick fix, but rather a long-term process that requires effort, dedication, and persistence. Keep working hard, stay focused on your goals, and be open to new opportunities and challenges along the way.